If you can't afford to buy cover arts that are $50 to $100, but you make trash cover arts for your songs, I'm here to help you out. Today we're going to be going over my glow cover art preset. This will, help you guys, create fast cover arts, really good looking cover art. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. Alright, so once you get the preset, you're going to open it up and this is what you're going to see. You're probably wondering what the fuck do I need to do? Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you can delete all of this right here. Just hide it. I'm just gonna hide it. I'm just gonna go ahead, drag an image in. I'm gonna get this picture of Lucky and I'm gonna make it black and white just because it kind of interferes with it. You could see the colors kind of like messing up, so it's black and white. If you guys have Photoshop 2024, I'm pretty sure, I don't think this is in previous ones, but if you have it 2024, you can do select subject or remove background. I know select subject was in it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using that just so everybody can use it. But yeah, once you have your subject, just layer mask and convert to a smart object. So once you have that, just drag them in. Just drag them in. Not the best picture look yet, can't lie, but shit, we're gonna work with it. What you want to do is you want to go ahead, you want to get your white brush. If you guys don't know how to do that, press B. That will bring up the brush tool like so. Then you can press X to switch between the color palette. Just click on it, go to white. Boom. Now what you want to do is you kind of want to go pour a glow, like you're gonna pour a glow above his shoulders, and then you want to go behind him, bring a layer behind him, and then you just want to add glow like so. Glow like so. Next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead, you want to make a clipper mask. Just make a layer above them and then hold Alt, go in between the layers and click, and then just brush around like so. Now I'm going to change this to linear dodge add, bring the fill down just a little bit, and same with this one as well. I'm just going to bring the fill down a little bit. Now next thing we're going to do is we're going to go onto the background. So I have pictures here of Epstein and shit. Now you can change that if you guys want, or you can keep it. Shit, not up to me, it's up to you guys. But yeah, I have different pictures here of summers and shit, but I'm going to delete all of these and we're just gonna drag in some Lucky pictures. Put that there. Put this one here. This one down here. Now it doesn't really matter where you put it. Like you guys can do some other shit like this. Hold on, let me show you guys. You're not limited to just doing this. Like you can do multiple pictures in front, multiple in the back. You're not limited to just one. So I'll just show you guys. I'm just gonna bring this down just like so. I'm gonna make it black and white. I'm gonna just put it there. And you guys can keep doing it, but yeah, that's just it right there. I'm just like trying to throw shit out for you guys. But once you have your background, you want to close this layer or this group. You want to Control J, Control E. Wait, I'm triggered. You want to Control J, Control E, Control A, Control J, and then you're gonna have this. What you want to do is you want to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and put to wherever you feel like it's nice. So maybe like a 5.2, and you can scale this up as well. Then you can do like some rotation, some shit. But yeah, you can do something like that. Another thing is, you guys can add on to this. It's not limited to just this kind of style. You guys can put bombs in there, smoke, whatever you guys want to put in there. Just mess around with it, experiment. It's kind of just like a foundation for beginners who are stuck and don't really have the money to pay for cover arts and shit. Also forgot to go over, you guys can also change the color here using the hue and saturation. You can change the color. I forgot to say that. You can change the color, change the vibrance, saturation. You can bring the vibrance up, bring the saturation down, get a little different look. But yeah, you guys can mess around with these as well. These are just foundation of it all, yeah, film. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and go ahead check out the store. We're gonna I'm gonna be dropping more shit on there. Have an all-in-one preset, has literally everything on store. It's only a good price,